Hello everybody.
It's kind of late for that, sir. Like halfway through the process.
It's your boy. We're back again. DC5 shit, you know the vibe. Just got these new. We got some camber arms here. Got some Skunk 2 camber arms. Gonna be putting them on the RSX because RSX doesn't have rear factory camber or factory rear camber, and I'm sitting at like -4 degrees in the back. So let me go on to the other side. Just give you guys a quick rundown on how to do this. It's pretty simple. Take your wheel off, of course. There's gonna be a big 17 mil that goes through the top of the knuckle or whatever.
Yeah, big one.
Through the factory camera arm. Then there's two other 17s holding them in place right there. And it should come off. And then you just replace it and you're good to go. You do have to take out the ABS sensor. The new arms don't have it, or take it out from the mounting point. So you have to figure out a solution to mount them there. I'll figure it out. Pretty simple. And these are all rusted, as you can see. The new ones are nice, and I'll finally be able to match my front and rear camber. Yeah. So out the box, there's a slight issue that we have. So on the factory arms, it comes with this welded nut on the other end, but on the Skunk 2 ones, they don't have a welded nut, and these are kind of facing the wrong way. So Brian's trying to turn it with a flathead right now. But yeah, that's the vibe. All right. I couldn't get the other bolt out, so we're just gonna watch Brian. Yeah, that looks so fresh.
Fuck this way.
Fun things. So going through Brian's collection of bolts, we found two of them. These are probably 17 heads. They were in a bag for motor bolt stuff, but it worked. Threaded nice. Because again, the Skunk 2 arms don't have that welded nut on the other side, so. But it's coming along nice. No more spacer. I'm just doing the adjustment, trying to get them even. I'm gonna get an alignment on Thursday, so don't worry. Whenever you guys put in camber arms, you need an alignment as soon as possible. Don't drive the car without an alignment, because that is a recipe for death and bald tires. All right, quick tip. Get if those back bolt or the ones towards the front of the car, if they're stuck, get a fucking extension. Go under. Make the job easier. Shit's coming out mint. So on the other arm, had it put to around 7 inches in length, just as a baseline, and then once we put the car down, you can adjust it as we go, just to get me on the road and drive it around when I need to. But yeah. Oh, other updates. I have a carbon hood because someone hit my car and ran like a bitch. If you're watching this video, I hope your hood gets dented in. But Fiber Images hood, shout out to my friend for hitting up one of their friends, selling me this hood. This thing is a gem. I don't know if you can see there you go. Fiber Images. But I ordered a bunch of timing stuff for the car, so hopefully that gets done. I'm gonna have to pull the motor for that. I'm gonna repaint the bay, I'm gonna get a new exhaust. Got a whole bunch of shit coming this summer. So the install's pretty much done. We set the length of the entire arm to around 6 5/8 or something like that, just to even out the camber to the front so that it's drivable. Also need to lower the car because with the positive, or with the less or technically more camber, how do you Camber is going to be negative right now. Or before it was like -4 or something. Now it's around -1 to 0. I made the car a lot higher in the back, so I had to lower it, or else I would have monster truck fitment. But now it's pretty good. So Ryan's just doing the other side right now.
So perfect how it sits. I just wish this line was different. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll get an extension. Like, what is that of?
Well, or why don't you just get a straight? Just get a longer hose and run a straight. Let's give a little preview of the turbo tag.